Hey y'all, so this video is for anybody that's struggling with their liquid to monomer ratio and just application as a whole. The size brush I'm using is the size 8. It's Beauty Ballerina off Amazon. And the first bead you see me do, I waited like 3 seconds before I put it down. And I'm just using gravity, and I tap my brush in monomer. The monomer I'm using is Young Nails, and I'm just lightly swiping down. You see how it's kind of like solid a little bit? That's what I want. Like, that's how I like my acrylic to run. And that's usually my first bead. I'll continuously wipe my brush so I don't waste my money on brushes. The next bead should be my second bead, possibly last bead. Let's see. So I wait a couple seconds and then I place it in. Not on the cuticle, but right underneath. And you see how I'm patting it in there? I'm controlling where the acrylic go. I'm not letting it bully me. I wipe the sides so it will help form the apex. And ever so lightly I'm patting so I don't wipe it all away. And your structure is there. I see a little gap. I think I'm gonna put a third bead. Maybe a little dot. But yeah, y'all, I hope this helps, because I sucked in the beginning and I